And we really knew the work it took with the mind frame, trying to block other shit out. Little nigga, big gun, Smith & Wesson, 40 caliber, semi-automatics for anyone. Are you characters who want a part to star in this horror movie? Confusing to me, you dudes think y'all the shit, but I'm the dude. It's New Jack City, in my neighborhood Nino, and you the city police poop. Yeah, nigga, we know. I rap about selling this and that, lay back behind on motherfucker. Always getting accused of doing some dirty shit. I be too high providing that work. Mama swear I work for Roof. I'm from the dirt roads and the dirty south and the power out in the house and the eating the street, dealing with this pain. One stage was excruciating. I've been MOB since the last so late. Yeah, she fucked up with my feelings and my trust when I found out she was screwing. Gonna do some around the way to the nigga that she was dating. Like, damn, but it's gravy. I ripped the ink pen out the pack, opened up my notebook and took my gat to the back door in the trap house and sold crack and snapped out on every 16 wild room. Now where that stack at? Let me get that bag in the way. You say you want a half a zip? Now it look like it's over. That's a heavy 16. After I waited, it was on that 15-7, and all I hear motherfuckers say is let them get a blessing. Shit, every time I depend on the blessing, that bitch was cut. It fucked my clientele all the way the fuck up. Nah, but I ain't losing a stepping stone. I held my head up and kept rolling. I ain't whine, give up and do all that fucking crime. And I ain't letting no little loss make me wanna resign. Every day I pray I bump in the food just one more time, so we can be extra in my scary movie. I can't lie, fuck up with me one time too many. Shit, it might take a little time, but don't get too comfortable when you sit down and recline. Cause on that light in your den, I'm standing right behind with that fire ready to fry. He must've thought I was gonna let that slide. Nah, I got too much pride, not like the other guys. Bipolar always me, mugging looking tough. Worry about getting back door by me. Boy, please, I got too much other shit going on. Even have a split second to think about your little bitch pussy. Some shit. Before you get your headline pushed back, and the strapper help me push. Pussy ass nigga always bumping that gun and getting no money out of it. Kill. Little nigga, big gun, Smith & Wesson, 40 caliber, semi-automatics for anyone. Are you characters who want a part to star in this horror movie? And I swear that bitch gonna be real scary. Confusing, you fools think y'all the shit. When laid back to do New Jack City, in my neighborhood Nino, and you the city police pookie. Yeah, we know. Nigga, big old fucking pistol. Raw dope dick. Nigga, I got too much other shit going on. Even have a split second thinking about your bitch pussy. Shush it. Grow up.